हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोग के सामने जियो डिजिटल लाइफ ये जियो 4G फ़ोन जो है कीपैड फ़ोन अनबॉक्स करने जा रहा हूँ। इससे पहले मैं ये फ़ोन कभी देखा नहीं। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम रिलायंस मार्ट and I have heard a lot about this phone, and as I can see that this phone already supports this so many apps: my Geo Chat, 450 plus Geo TV, 6,000 plus movies, Geo Cinema, Geo Music, Geo Pay. Even it has NFC technology to make the payments. इसमें गेम्स भी है, इसमें से जियो 4G वॉइस कॉल भी हो सकता है और जियो एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़ भी होता है और सब कुछ जितना सारा ऐप्स भी है सब कुछ जियो ऐप से डाउनलोड हो जाता है। द फोन हैज़ फीचर्स लाइक SD वॉइस कॉल एंड वीडियो कॉल, 4G इंटरनेट ब्राउजिंग, मल्टीपल Indian languages, GPS, Bluetooth, wireless radio, Wi-Fi connectivity. Also, it has some other specialty like it is a 6.09 centimeter 2.4 inch QVGA TFT display, 2 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा भी है इसमें, प्लस VGA कैमरा भी है। अब मुझे पता नहीं कि सामने का कैमरा है या पीछे है, सो आफ्टर अनबॉक्सिंग ओनली आई कैन टेल यू दैट बेटर। इसका बैटरी बैकअप भी बहुत अच्छा है, 2000 mAh है, बट आई गेस इसमें इंटरनेट चलेगा तो इसका बैकअप वैसे उतना अच्छा नहीं देगा, बट फिर भी कॉलिंग के लिए ये फ़ोन बढ़िया है। और इसमें 512 MB रैम भी सपोर्ट करता है। ओके, 4GB इनबिल्ट मेमोरी होगा और SD कार्ड जो है अप टू 128GB सपोर्ट करता है और हेडफोन 3.5 mm हेडफोन जैक। तो इसमें OS है, लिखा है कि जियो काई OS, और कुछ ये फ़ोन आता है 1500 रुपये में रिलायंस के कोई भी जियो स्टोर में से या फिर रिलायंस डिजिटल में से। हर जगह इनका कॉस्ट सेम है। जब ये फ़ोन पहले आया था ये लोग प्रमोशन के लिए 900 रुपीज़ में बेच रहे थे, अभी इसको 1500 कर दिए हैं। और इसका अंदर जो कि यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 1 हैंडसेट, 1 अडेप्टर, 1 बैटरी, 1 जियो फोन गाइड, 1 कीपैड गाइड and 1 Geo SIM card. Yes, it comes with a Geo SIM card too. ये Geo SIM card मिल जाता है इसके साथ, जो कि इसमें एक और फीचर भी है, मुझे बताया है क्या कि आप 49 रिचार्ज करो and get unlimited calling for the whole month. That is very cheapest plan I have ever got. And this is the best offer because I'm going to use this phone for just calling purpose. ओके, सिम के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे, अभी मैं अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहा हूँ। Okay, lastly I am successful opening the shrink wrap. तो मैं इसका श्रिंक रैप खोल दिया हूँ। अभी मैं ये ऑलरेडी सील्ड है। Wow, this is such a nice phone. It looks great. तो मैं निकालने जा रहा हूँ मेरा पहला जियो फ़ोन. जियो लाइव लिखा हुआ है इसमें. Okay, I can see a camera at the back also and in the front also. So hopefully the front is VGA camera and back is 2 megapixel camera. Wow, Geo has really done a very good job. Let me see what else do we have inside. Okay, we have some EMEI number stickers and some advertisement on the side for Geo chat, all these Geo apps which is available in my Geo store. Okay, I have given one battery, one charger. This charger has also it's also written live on the charger, and this is okay, it's a USB charging. That's good. Okay, what else? So I can see this Geophone guide F220B. It has the guide. Okay, this Geophone also has a torch. Yes, it is mentioned here. It has a torch. It comes with one SIM card and one SD card. Okay, and the SIM card is CDMA. Sorry, it is G, and the SIM card is GSM, but only Geo SIM is supported in this Geo phone. And it has some other features like keypad lock and all, normally which these phones do have, the keypad phones. Actually, these keypad phones are for the old generation people who are not yet habituated to use the touchscreen phones. For them it's very convenient. I bought it just because I have to make business calls and all, and it's good for calling. So this Geophone keypad guide for Indian languages, it comes in so many languages. The guide: Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Punjabi, Assamese, Santali, Sanskrit, Urdu, Kashmiri. Wow, they have included Santali also. That's good. I'll appreciate them for all their efforts. So, okay, let's put on the battery and see how the phone goes. It has to be opened from this side. Okay, this is the this is the SIM card slot. There's already a SIM inside it, I guess. I don't know. They have given me a separate SIM card too, but it came with a SIM already. Okay, let's check this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just take out this SIM card and then put the battery. Okay, even if they give an extra SIM card, there is already a SIM card inside it. I have just shown it to you. I don't know, it's for everyone or what, I don't know how. If the SIM card was already there, they shouldn't have given me any other SIM card. Oh, sorry. So I'll put this battery Okay, so I'll put this battery, and obviously put the lid back. And switch on the phone. So you can see it's written here powered by Kai OS Geo Digital Life. I think it's one of the best keypad phones till now, because I don't think there's any other phone that has so many features, and that too a keypad phone supporting 4G LTE. This is specially made for India, and this is Indian edition. I guess they don't have any international edition until now. They have already written here, designed in India for India, with love, obviously. Watch on TV simply by connecting the Geo Media cable. Wow. So this Geo Media cable, you can just connect it to the TV, and it will just the movies will just start playing, and the cable is not part of the packaging to be bought separately. So the cable is available separately. I guess the cable can be connected here in the same USB port, which is used for charging purpose. Yeah, it has a torch. Torch is necessary for old generation people. Okay, so I'll just make some few setting. I'll set the language to English. Okay, accept the agreement. Okay, so it came here. The date and time is not correct. It shows 5:32 a.m. Thursday, 1st January. Though today I'm recording this video, it is already about 12 midnight, and Monday early morning. Okay, so here I got call logs, contacts, Geostore, messages, Facebook. They've given Facebook also in a touchpad phone, which was a dream before. Actually, I used to have a touchpad phone from Micromax, and it had Facebook, but it never opened. And this is something which is surely going to open, I know. They have camera, Geo TV, Geo Music, chat. Oh wow, they have Google Assistants also. Wow. See the Google Assistants opening here in English. Okay. So I allowed Google Assistant. Should I test it? Okay, let's test. Sorry, I don't have internet connection. It shows Google Assistant needs internet. Okay, fine, no problem. We can check that later. So it has Geo Cinema, Geo Games, Geo Express, FM radio, clock, gallery, calendar, calculator, settings, browser, unit converter, music, video, note. Hello Geo. Geo video call. Okay, they have given a video call option also. That is amazing. And they have given HD voice calling also in this phone. So finally, there's voice, this file manager. There's no SD card right now, so it shows the internal memory is the one that comes default. So right now what I need to check is The camera. Okay, let's see the camera. Wow. Can you see the quality? It's amazing. Okay, let me take a snap. Okay, I have taken a photo. I think you can see the clarity is 2 megapixel, but is seems like it's more than 2 megapixels. It's so clear. I have never seen this in Nokia phones when it used to come. Nokia phones they normally had 2 megapixel in the year 2008-9. That time 2 megapixel was a lot for people, and the 2 megapixel quality was not as good as what Geo is giving right now. That's good. I definitely don't want to set it as wallpaper. I'll just delete this image, right? So we will check the front camera. Okay, this is the front camera. Okay, this is the ceiling of my room, and this is also clear. Let me capture a photo of the fan. I captured the photo of the fan, and it's clear. Kudos, great job, this Geo, and I know Geo is going to survive them in the market for long run. I really appreciate them for all the effort. Okay, the date and time has updated automatically. Now it's 12:28 a.m. Monday, 25th March. So yeah, that's nice. So I don't have anything to see. This is the call log, and we can make calls and all. So okay, I hope I have given you a better idea from this unboxing. Uh, I still wonder why this SIM was already there. I don't know about the other SIM. So I'll just turn it off. Okay, power off. I don't want you guys to think that I have empty packet, but no, it is not empty. It has a SIM card inside because it's still not open. You can see, as you can see, they have given me, and they said that after activation, just give a call to 1977. So I'll definitely call them and I'll ask which SIM is going to work, this or this. I'm very much unsure about this. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll come up with more unboxing videos in recent time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as you can. जियो जियो चलता रहेगा मार्केट में, और जियो को चलना भी चाहिए. जियो is one of the best network these days. Personally, I'm not promoting the brand, but it's really so doing very good. And I had an issue with some other networks which I was using. I just ported all my networks to Geo. I don't gain any personal favor from Geo, but this is something they deserve. So my appreciation is something they deserve. Okay, so it's just a small appreciation. I know I'm not a very famous person, or I'm not someone who's appreciation really matters to them. But yes, we appreciate. Thank you. So I'll just put this back, and okay, I would like to keep this SIM card also here, so that I might not lose it. I don't know if I'm going to need it in the future. If there is any trouble with this, with the activation or anything, I didn't put the SIM right now, but I'll put it very shortly. Okay, so that was all about unboxing the new Geo phone. I didn't put the phone inside because I have to use it. Okay, see you all next week. Bye.